Good morning. On behalf of the Informed Society for Marketing Science, I'd like to welcome you to the final stages of the judging of the 2018 Gary Lillian Marketing Science Impact Prize, now in its 10th round. I'm John Roberts, Chairman of the Judges of the Prize, and I'm joined by Mike Hansons, the immediate past President of the Society for Marketing Science, the Kay Sudhir, the Editor-in-Chief of our flagship journal, Marketing Science, Manfred Kraft, representing the European Marketing Academy, Dr. Alex Dejratu, who's an industry representative who's with McKinsey, and also Hongji Wang, who is another industry representative from the PNC Bank. The Society's bylaws state that the purpose of the prize is to foster the development, dissemination, knowledge of basic and applied research and science that improves the understanding and practice of marketing. The Practice Prize is awarded to an outstanding implementation of marketing science, concepts and methods. The methodology must be sound and appropriate to the problem and the organisation, and the work should have verifiable, significant and preferably quantitative impact on the performance of the client's organisation. In other words, the award is designed to recognise both rigour and relevance of work and the organisational impact that stems from that. Specifically, the following criteria have driven the selection of the finalists, and they will drive the selection of the winner. Implementation, who uses the work and for what? Impact, what was the value created throughout the organisation? Methodology, what's the learning and the leading edge applications that stem from this? Technical originality, does it demonstrate uniqueness and flair? Difficulty, what are the politics and problems involved in implementing the solution of these problems? Transportability, can we use this in other organisations and applications? And then finally, charm. And by charm, what we mean is what will be the impact on society, and will this work be newsworthy? The Practice Prize Committee have reviewed the many excellent entries, and from those entries we've selected 4 finalists whose presentations we are about to hear. Each of those finalists have been asked to provide the judges with the details of the problems they've chosen to address, their approach to doing so, the results and insights from calibrating models used in their approach, actions to which that led, and the impacts from the resulting management interventions. The following presentations represent the final stage of a rigorous selection process, and at this stage I'd like to thank the Informed Society for Marketing Science, the Marketing Science Institute, the European Marketing Academy, whose generous sponsorship make this work publicly available. These presentations will be available on the web so that people who want to use them in teaching materials or within their organisations will be able to do so. So please join me in thanking these organisations that sponsored us.